Hello, everyone. This two-level house designed for owner occupancy and investment opportunity. The top floor is complete and consists of 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms plus kitchen, living and dining and veranda. Bottom floor in an incomplete state. Has windows and some doors, but not yet tile nor kitchen set up. On finish, will have a long ocean-facing veranda. Middle-class community with easy access to the A4 main road. Let's take a look inside. The price for this one is JMD $45 million. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Thank you.